So here's the example we saw in the previous video. It's an n equals 6 dual caustic Poncelet, and I actually just found haphazardly a second example, n equals 14. Now the two caustics are not at 90 degree angles. They're actually at 30 degree angles from each other, the red and green caustic, and I've tweaked their semi-axes so that a particular Poncelet transverse would close, and this one actually closes in 14 steps. So we're getting this closure property even when the two caustics are not at 90 degree angles, and for an n that is not 6, it's 14. It's not even a multiple of 6. So the question now is, how can this thing be taken further? Can it be an odd n? Can these two caustics be at a different non-multiple of 30 angle? As we continue to break the symmetry, what is still going to be possible and what's not going to be possible. Thanks for watching.